Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. So I got inspired by the RC Kiwis to take my basher to the track. My local track is NorCal Hobbies, which is a carpet track and pretty much the worst possible place to drive an Arrma Granite because there's just way too much traction. I'll explain that. But yeah, check out the RC Kiwis. Shout out to them because they tagged me in one of their videos, and they like taking their bashers out to the track in Hong Kong. So I said, what the heck, I'm going to take my Granite to the track as well. I'll put down a link to their channel in the description below. But I used to have an Arrma Granite V3, the orange one, and one of the first videos I made was taking that to the track back when NorCal Hobbies used to be an indoor clay track. Drove that around. A lot of people liked that. Arrma themselves actually liked that and sent me an email saying that was a cool video, and I think it's on their webpage. But you know, this is kind of V3 version. We're upping the stakes, we're going into carpet, and so yeah, the reason carpet is really hard on the Granite is because it's just too much traction. Actually, the Granite performs a little better on loose dirt, pavement, or super high traction. It actually doesn't drive quite as well because it just wants to wheelie all the time. When you get on the throttle, you can't really go full throttle all the time, so you're always managing throttle. And then on the brakes, you got to go easy on the brakes because it just wants to like endo all the time. So and then finally in the corners, you know, with these big knobby tires, it just wants to roll because it's a little bit high up, especially with these big tires. So it just wants to like flip over and on the corners, traction roll, all that kind of thing. So it's sort of a management and driving fast enough to not be lame, but you know, driving slow enough to not have this thing flip over all the time. So anyways, I'll throw down some running footage after this. A couple people were there checking it out as well, and so it was a lot of fun. Not something I'm going to do regularly, but you know, maybe you wanted to see how the Arrma Granite performs on the track, and so here we go. Here's the running footage. Man, people like that video. they want me to drive this one. Yeah, I was on clay. Oh. Center dip is, oh, it's a slipper, that's why. I was like, why does this thing so? The slipper's still a little tight. Ugh. Oh! Pretty funny, yeah. Now I know why it's got a wheelie bar. It's funny, huh?
All right, when's rookie race night, man? I'm ready. A little shortcut. Oh. Saved it.